Thank you for joining us tonight and welcome to AccuWeather Prime on this Friday. I'm Melissa Constanzer, and of course that was the earthquake that shook millions, and you can find so much more of the video coming in from New Jersey, portions of New York, people getting a little bit jostled and a little bit scared, rightfully so. Not to mention some of the other views from the Northeast showing you a few snowflakes coming down, and we will be talking about that. We do want to mention though that earthquake, the latest of it. Of course, we do want to take you into your travel across the nation because that nor'easter, by the way, it is wrapping up. And the good news is we are left with less and less precipitation. Let's take you, though, farther to the west because here we've got another storm system coming in. And this one, as it works through the Rockies, is creating all sorts of problems. In the northwest, we're going to expect some minor delays, basically due to some of that precipitation. But we're also going to start to find those winds really ramping up. Places like Salt Lake City certainly becoming a little bit breezy for you. Boise, some rain and snow showers. I don't think it's as much precipitation as some of the past few days, but we'll still have that chance. As the storm works out into the plains, some of the big concerns, places like Albuquerque, Denver, winds will be a problem as we go through at least the start of the weekend, if not the entire weekend like Denver. So expect at least a few minor delays, if not major delays, due to those winds. Those winds will also be a problem from Kansas City to Bismarck. Farther to the east, not quite as many issues with this nor'easter that is weakening. We'll still have some wet weather, places like Bangor, Boston, dealing with some of those showers possible. As you work your way farther south, we've still got some moisture here from New York to Baltimore, but I don't think it's enough to create any delays. It's just a few sprinkles out there. Flight cancellations up from that storm system coming out of the Rockies on Saturday, but then we start to see them go back down. All of this is within the range of average, though, so that's some good news if you're trying to fly in the upcoming days. Still to come, see what's going on around our world. Search and rescue efforts continue in Taiwan following Wednesday's powerful earthquake. Let's take you into next week because there are some things that you do need to know. First up, we're going to be talking about more wet weather for the lower Mississippi River Valley. Plus, as we get into the late week, that's when we'll see some of this activity move off towards the east. However, the good news is a bit quieter in California. The eclipse will start us off on Monday, and we are expecting more cloud cover across the south and certainly at least some high cirrus clouds likely through New York State. So there is going to be some contention with clouds. Better bet might be towards southern Illinois and central Illinois and Indiana. As we look, though, through Monday night, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the rounds of rain here likely, all part of the stormy weather that's ongoing. In fact, some of that will occur just a few hours after the eclipse there in Texas. For Dallas, Texas, Monday still looking dry, but the clouds increasing. That's the concern. And then showers